introduction from Austin. This is Mr. Ma from Huashine Intelligent. We are the company trying to offer the automated warehousing and automated sorting solutions for the Philippine market. At the moment, the automation is low. Then we are trying to promote it so that we can bring the cold storage into automation. A brief introduction of the company. The company has started in 1993. Our headquarters is in Qingdao, in the northern part of China. Currently, we are offering 5 overseas sales centers: Russia, India, Philippines, Thailand, etc. The company has 570 of us to work on this ASIS project. This is our factory. This is our assembly workshop. So the next is the keyboard, what the solutions we are sharing in this house. Basically, we are sharing 2 solutions. The first one is automated warehousing. The second is automatic sorting. We start. So we are also trying to give you a solution in-house that is one-stop solutions. Start from the planning, solution, designing, manufacturing, implementation, and also project delivery, and then follow-up. Then in terms of the ASIS project, there are different ways to make the automation. Then there's one solution is a storage retrieval machine based. Then another one is the 4-way shuttles. And there's another one which is autonomous mobile robot based, which gives the automation for the beans. So we start from the storage retrieval machine. In this solution, you can see there's an SRM, a rack system, an inbound outbound conveying system. Then it is good when you have the new project. The project, the layout may be long and narrow, and then the warehouse can build up to 40 meters in height, especially in the downtown area where the land becomes so precious. Then go vertical, go to the height. And then in this system, it is going to meet your high efficiency requirement for inbound and outbound. Then what is the difference between the conventional SRM and also the cold storage or SRM? Start from the raw materials, because in these raw materials that they're supposed to be stored in cold storage, where the brightness and also temperature-induced stretch in the steel structure can be managed. And then we are also applying low-temperature motors, low-temperature lubricants, and even for the control cabinet, because not all the sensors are suitable for the low temperature. They're supposed to be insulated and in the heating cabinet. And then the next is the racking system. For the racking system, we have 2 racking systems. One is standalone rack. Another one is clarity rack. When you go to the clarity rack solutions, there is no need for the outside building anymore. So it can be a building itself. Then the rack material is another key again, because when you have grade A, grade B, grade C, grade D, grade E, when for cold storage, minus 15, minus 17, it is supposed to go to grade D. And then the surface treatment to avoid, and then it's supposed to be epoxy, polyester, powder coating, all put to hot galvanizing. Then even for the base of the columns, it is supposed to have a secondary groutings to avoid this cold break effect. Then even for our conveyors, for this transition room, it got 2 fast door, so that it can open and close in a quick way. This is the one we are applying. The previous it was a flipping design, now it's a sliding design in order to make the goods moving fast. Third-party logistic project where you have the truck is docking. then forklift offload onto the conveyor. So they are going to check the barcode and then do a wrapping, because when you go to the warehouse, you don't want to fall off. So this is one way to prevent fall off. Then it will come to this transition room. The first door will close, then this is what the inside picture. It has high as 20 to 25 meters. Then for the data visibility, you can see on all the pallets there is a barcode. So it is going to trace from the beginning up to where it is supposed to put. Then in the background, what you have seen there is a WMS system, which is well to manage where they are being located. Then this is the outbound. Then inside the warehouse, it is totally unmanned. There is no more forklift driver looking for where the goods is. Then it will deliver at the outbound station. Then you have the forklift driver loading into the truck. This is the way that for the SRM-based ASIS system. Then we have other ways. Because people is going to complain, no, this is a new project, it is too hard, we don't need it. What other solutions do we have? We have another way, which is for four-way shuttle solutions. Why we call it a four-way shuttle? Because the moment you have seen on the market is bidirection, forward and backward. Here we can go to 4 directions. It can also work in minus 25 Celsius degrees. And the wheels you can see over here. This side 3, this side 4, then it is a full-wheel drive. So that will avoid any slipperies. The load, it can carry as much as 2 tons. Then the system is composed by 4-way shuttle and a precession lift, and also 4-way shuttle rack. Then you have also the conveyor system or the AMR system. It works in a new cold storage. We have a new one, and also room temperature. Even you have the old one, you want to do some renovations, it can also help you. For example, they are in irregular shape. It is not a rectangular. Or they are across regional for different warehouse. You want to connect them together. Or you have the multi-level, then also multi-columns. Then this 4-way shuttle can suit in these situations. So it works within 15 meters or lower than that. So if you want to build a short warehouse, it can also work. Here's a video. This is the warehouse Manners 18. It is only have the height of 6.5 meters. Then the product inside is the beef. And only 3 layers. Then this is how they do the crossing. This is the main track, and you have also storage track. So in one floor, you can run multiple shuttles. We have a scheduling system, so one will not to control this traffic. It can also go to the lift, go to different floors where you have more goods on the different floor. It is a full-wheel drive to avoid any slippery inside. It has its own scheduling system. For the operator, you don't have to do anything. You just give the order, then it is going to pick on its own. So we do have for the safety issues, there's obstacle detections and also this traffic control system to avoid one shuttle to hit another one. Then the battery is for anti-low temperature. It can work for 6 or 8 hours. You don't have to worry about the battery issues. Now for dispatching. So when we talk about automation, then you are worried, oh, it's expensive. Really? Then let's look at some figures that based on our experience. Then we talk about a 30,000 pound cold storage. Then the beauty for this automation is there will be no zoning. Then it is constant in all zones. The temperature will be constant in all zones because you don't have to open the door again and again. Then you have the forklift looking for the goods. No, it will not happen. So the door, the room is always closed. Then the temperature fluctuation are stable. It will be only less than 0.5 Celsius degree, the fluctuation. So by this beauty, you can see the power consumption per ton per day, it is only 0.1 kilowatts. Compare existing conventional, it is somewhere 0.8 and 1.0 kilowatts. So this power consumption will dramatically reduce. Regardless of what type of ammonia or freon or CO2. Then another issue is the first investment will also be less. Then when you look at the power distribution transformer, for a 30,000 ton, you hopefully need a 2,000 kVA. But when you go to the automation, it is going to 650 kVA. It's even less than the half. So the investment for the refrigeration equipment will also be less. For the past two videos, it is based on the palette of automation. Then we know that we understand Philippines is islands and islands. So a lot of you have customers, they only need a few parts, few boxes. So we have another solution which is being based on beans. So this is possibly one of the warehouse. It is scattered with all the box. Then with our bean solutions, you can put them into organized way in beans. Then this is the real which is running. Then in this bean warehouse, it has 18,000. More than 10,000 SKUs. It's not only work with cold storage, it is also work with dry storage. So on each bean there will be a barcode. Then it is goods to the person. So your operator there's no longer moving inside your storage. It's just stay at the picking station. So even this robot can drop 7 boxes in one time to increase the efficiency. Then push out the conveyor, then load into the truck. You may not be satisfied to say that we have the pallet solution, we have bean solution, we have nut solution for the pieces. Then this is one of the solution we call the sorting board. Then this solution is allow you to have chance to the pieces into the beans, then go to the truck. Where it is also a simple design by a single robot. Then over here you have the first loading station, then you have the barcode scanning, then you have the sorting destination box, then you go to the, here this one is working like a single finger platform. You can also have 2 fingers, 3 fingers. Then again you have the charging port for the AMR. How it works, then there's a video to show you. Possibly this is your existing warehouse, where you have the operator looking for where the goods is, or where the box is. They found it, then drop it into the bin. Then this is how it, after update, it can happen in this way. Then you have your goods by the pallets on the belt. Then operator is only simply drop into the sorting board. Then in the background, the sorting board got a system. It knows where it's supposed to drop. Then he's going to drop into the bins automatically, and then also go to charging automatically. What we have seen is moving robot, a little bit fancy, and actually in the background there's also software to support their moving, give them scheduling, traffic system. Then if it is for the factory, we have MES system, manufacturing execution system. Then also LES, which is a logistic execution system, where you have plenty robots, they are moving together, you need to do the scheduling, let all the robots dance on the same platform. Then we also have WMS and WCS, which is for the vertical, for the ASIS system. Then RCS is a robot control system, and also you have the SCADA system for monitor, for maintenance. Then also TMS, even for the big park, where you have truck management system, so that all the trucks can be in sequence. Then this is the architecture of our WMS system. Then it is going to give you the beauty for the full traceability, starting from the entry up to the leaving. So each pallet and each box or each pieces can be tracked. When we talk about the food security, then for traceability is one of the link to make it happen. And also efficient control, then also expansion, because currently e-commerce is emerging that you want to link your system with your ERP system, with your also selling system. Then our system can expand and connect your existing system. Then case study. Then even for in Beijing, the Daxing Airport, then where there's 50,000 pallets conditions as owned by us. Then this is one for the chicken company. This one is for the supplier of the KFC in China. And this one is for the yogurt. So here we are trying to bring this automation to Philippine market. We have our local partners with the center best. We wish that for the cold storage we can bring it to automation. So it is easy for operation and also cost saving. Thank you so much.